What's up, everybody? Jimmy here with another tip of the week, and today I'm going to show you how to make QR codes. Now, some people are like, why do I need to make a QR code? It doesn't make sense. But let me tie it into, of course, Moxi and some of the things that we're actually seeing. If you are to print a Moxi CMA and do an entire presentation with 15 different properties, like we advise you to do, you could have over 80, 90, 100 pages that you would possibly be delivering to somebody. A lot of people like to take just some numbers, maybe a bio of what they're doing, drop them off at somebody's house just to kind of get them interested. But what I'm going to show you today is how to make a QR code on a CMA presentation. So if you do drop something off for a client, they can still have access to the digital presentation, because let's be serious, it looks fantastic online. It's very easy to get around and engage with your potential client that's on there. So let me show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. What we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to create a design. Doesn't really matter which one it is, because it's going to be blank and it's going to be ready to go. Then what we're going to do, let's back up for a second. You need to go to canva.com first. It's a free service that you can get. It does not cost anything. Yeah, there is a cost associated if you want to have some of the premium benefits of it. But if not, you're going to set up an account with Canva, log in, create a new one, and you're going to get to this page here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down here to the left and click More. And as you scroll down here, you can see an option that says QR code. This is how easy it's going to be. This is my Moxi presentation for a client. It's got 33 pages on the website, but if I go to print this, it's going to be a lot more. So I'm going to actually just print up a few pages just so the clients have something, and then I'm going to add this QR code. Do that, I'm just gonna, this is the presentation website. I'm literally just going to copy the entire website, go to my design here where it says enter the URL, and hit generate code. Boom, it's done. Now what I want to do is name this so I can go back into it at some point. So let me do that real quick. Okay. Now, the only other thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to just liven this up just a little bit more, because I don't want to just show a QR code. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to add some text. Nothing crazy. I'm going to pull it up here to the top, and I'm going to say, so I'm going to go ahead, put something like this on it. Okay. And then I'm going to liven up the background a little bit. I'm going to use some of our colors for it. And then finally, the last thing I'm going to do is I want to go ahead and upload a photo of myself. Well, maybe I'll put myself down here. Nothing too crazy. Pretty basic. And what I might actually do is I might decide that I want to have a little bit of a background like this. Why not? I'm going to save this as a PDF, download it. Now I can print that up with the 3 or 4 pages that I'm going to go and hand deliver to a client. And if they're interested, they can scan this and it will take them right to my presentation that I made for them. That's your tech tip of the week on creating a QR code.